How this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another unpackaging unboxing. This time I have 16GB of RAM. You can see I have here, this is DDR4. You can see 16GB 3200MHz with masking, that is Redline, one of the sub branch of Kingston if I'm not wrong. Here 16GB, 2 stick of 16GB, that means 32GB. So this will be the one of the highest RAM you can have in your computer for today. You can buy also 32, I don't know, 64 is exactly will support in some computer, maybe in some computer may not. So without any further ado, let me cut this pack to show you guys. Lovely. Here we go, tearing apart. To be gentle. Okay. Coming out this way, the RAM from here is fine, doesn't matter. See the RAM how it is. Redline. The back side you see. Mushkin is the brand. You can see the channel here. The holes how beautiful. A beast is a gaming RAM, not ordinary RAM for gaming notebook. So you have to see the clip, the hole how it is. Here is the same place. Press inside a bit and push it down. That's all. The same way the other one. The same way. This way you see, and put the clip, press inside, is gone. This is done. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, boy.